Welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today we're breaking down the 2026 Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Calf Racer Edition, a motorcycle that looks like it time traveled from a 1960s cafe, but rides like a modern street brawler. No hype, no fanboy nonsense. Let's see what Triumph actually did right, and where they played it safe. What makes it a calf racer? EDITON. This isn't just a badge job, but it's also not a full redesign. Triumph adds clip-on, handlebars, a single-seat cowl, rear set foot pegs, and darker, more aggressive finishes. The riding position is sportier, lower and Sprinarian, more committed than the standard Speed Twin. Honest truth, it looks more aggressive than. It actually is on track, but for the street, that's not a bad thing. Engine and PRFO, you're getting around 100 PS and a thick slab of torque down low, which is where this bike lives. It's not a top-end screamer. It doesn't pretend to be. This engine is about real-world punch, quick overtakes, and effortless city riding. If you want revs and drama, look elsewhere. If you want usable power, this delivers. Handling and ride, Feth Racer Edition sharpens the experience slightly. The suspension is tuned firmer, turn-in feels quicker, and the bike feels more planted under hard braking. But let's be clear, this is not a track weapon. It's a fast, confident street bike that rewards smooth riding, not aggressive lap chasing. Brakes. Tech and SAFETW Triumph doesn't cut corners here. You get Brembo brakes, cornering abs, traction control, riding modes, and a clean semi-digital dash. No giant TFT circus screen, and that's actually a plus. The bike stays focused, not gimmicky. Designed in street PRECNC, this is where the Speed Twin Calf Racer Edition wins. Low stance, muscular tank, minimalist tail, it turns heads without trying too hard. But here's the blunt reality. If you want extreme cafe racer visuals, this might feel too refined. Triumph chose balance over radical design. Who should buy this BKK? Buy this bike if you want classic style with modern reliability, you ride mostly on the street, you value torque over top-end madness, skip it. If you want a full race replica, you live for track days, you expect radical performance upgrades over the standard Speed Twin Final, VR DICT the 2026 Triumph Speed Twin Feed. 26 Triumph Speed Twin, each and Lambai Cav Racer Edition, and not a revolution, it's stylish, fast enough, beautifully built, but intentionally restrained. Triumph didn't chase extremes. They chased rideability, and for many riders, that's exactly the right call. Subscribe to Rider Fusion for straight-up motorcycle content. No real rider perspective.